Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to discuss about jQuery functions about append, prepend, after and before. So let's start. So first of all, append, it inserts content at the bottom of the selected element. Prepend, it insert content at the beginning of the selected element. After, insert content after the selected element. Before, insert content before the selected element. So let me explain about this. So let's open this example. Let's include the jQuery file in your file, and let's copy this function. Indentation is important. So let's remove this. So this is the paragraph we have to copy it to show you the example. And we need a button and a button there. So this is the button with ID btn1. When I click on this button, it will append this text after the paragraph P. So let's refresh the front end. As you can see, this is the paragraph and this is the button. I am going to click on it. So as I clicked on it, it append the text after the paragraph. So let's talk about prepend. You have to change this function and you have to change the ID. You have to create a new button with ID 2. Change the text there also and there also. If I click on it, it will insert the text before this paragraph, and if I click on it, it will insert after the paragraph. So this is the difference between append and prepend. Now let's discuss about after and before. It is the same but there is a difference. I will explain you. So you have to copy this. You can also open the example. You have to change this tag and you have to refresh it, but you have to comment this first. You can also change it before, after. I am going to click on this button. As you can see, it insert our text before this paragraph, and I am going to click it also. It also insert the text after this paragraph. So let's open the new window, duplicate it, and now you have to comment this and recomment this one. So let's change this also. Refresh it. As I clicked on it, it insert the text after this paragraph but within the same tag. But in the before after scenario, it inserts the text after the P tag. So it is cleared. Append and after insert the text within the same tag, but in the before after scenario, it insert the text after outside the current tag. I mean outside the P tag, as you can see. So guys, this is the difference between before, after and append and prepend. So if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.